Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, bro, I'll be doing a live example on how to dev meme coins on chain and potentially make some profits, bro, and then you guys can do whatever the fuck you want with the information. Anyways, you do not want to miss this video. Let's go. Now, most people, when they come into the meme coin space, they immediately go to purely trading meme coins. They just buy and hope to make some profits, but every single time they buy, bro, they just get completely liquidated by the dev. I can go on this coin, I can go on a bunch of coins, and they all go to zero, just like this, right? It went to zero. Now, guess who makes the most amounts of money off of these schemes? No, it's not the traders, right? But it's the devs. The devs are just launching, farming all the fucking buyers, and then dumping on you right after. And that's the reality in 2026. Even Orangey and Cupsy are saying that deving is way more profitable than trading. Because all we're doing as devs, okay? I am a dev, by the way. All we're doing is creating coins, okay? We're waiting for buyers to buy in, and then we just cash out. It's simple as that, and it costs nothing to make a coin on chain. You guys will see in this video, because I would do a live example for you guys without gatekeeping. I do not sell a course, okay? Now, keep watching, bro, because yo, you will be astonished. By the way, bro, disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so do whatever the fuck you want with this information, but do your own research. Cap! Now you might be wondering, bro, where do we launch our meme coins? Now most people go on Pump.Fun and they simply launch coins here. The truth is that, bro, most beginner devs launch meme coins on Pump.Fun because every single coin that is launched through Pump.Fun, bro, gets immediately no traction because it's dead. It's oversaturated. Too many coins are launching all at once. So you have to be using external launch pads, bro. We will get into that later in the video. But on top of that, bro, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your creator fees. They take a cut from your fucking Pump.Fun revenue, everything. So what's the point, okay? Now, the goal as a dev, okay, is to get your meme coin in front of the Raydium DEX and for your meme coin to migrate. It's the same thing, right? Now, using Pump.Fun, bro, that will require too much luck because your meme coin needs to reach a $65,000 market cap. Now, here's exactly how it works, okay? My method. Go on create meme.io, right, and launch meme coins here. Every single coin that launches through create meme goes directly to Raydium and it gets immediately migrated, which will be viewed by thousands of people right away on the spot. And that's exactly how you get volume in your meme coin. You're skipping the bonding curve, okay, and your coin will be leveling up to Raydium, reaching thousands of people using create meme.io. Now here's exactly how to make a meme coin using create meme. You could either create a coin from scratch or copy one. Now to create a coin from scratch, bro, you need a narrative. Go on X, go on Reddit, go on Discord, look for a narrative to turn into a meme coin. For example, bro, the penguin coin went absolutely viral on TikTok, and that coin went to like $150 million in market cap. That's a quick example, bro. But yeah, come back to create meme, invent a name, add a quick symbol, add a quick image, and your meme coin is custom made. But I personally use the copy trending coins tab because it's way more powerful than the create coin option. Why? Because all these coins are all going viral, they all have a good narrative, and they're all getting a bunch of attention right now while I'm speaking, okay, on Pump.Fun. Which means if you copy a coin here to Raydium, any of these coins, right, well, you have a high chance of converting a bunch of people into your coin and into traders, and then in general, you will make profits off that copy, and you could potentially surpass the coin you copied, bro. And since your coin goes to Raydium, right, you have a higher chance of gaining traction. That's exactly why I copy coins, and I will do an example. Alright, now it's time to actually copy a coin and see how much potential it can go and see how much we can make. Now we will be copying a coin. I will copy, well, first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected just like that. Then click on refresh if you want to, it's up to you. And then look for a coin to copy. Just go for something, try it out. I'm gonna copy the cucumber coin, why not? Click to copy to Raydium, right? Then obviously ignore the block. It's completely fucking normal. Everyone will get the same exact block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and then the coin will be copied on chain. Okay, just give it some time. And then boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really easy. Okay, basically we are just going to create the Raydium liquidity pool, and the entire pool will be linked to your wallet, so you have full access, you have full control, you are the fucking dev. And as you guys can see here, bro, I've made hundreds of coins. Okay, it's actually I'm not joking about this. Okay, this method actually is insane. You guys will see. Okay, now the amount of cucumber coins is the amount of supply that you are putting in the token. Just click on 90%. Okay, it's simple as that. Right here is really important. It's the first buy in your first coin. Okay, in the coin. Okay, now since you are the creator, you will be buying in your own coin, and that's how you make profits. Put 0.3 SOL, 0.5, 1 SOL, it's up to you. Okay, because you will get this back later when you are ready to dump the coin, to cash out. It will come back in your phantom wallet, so it's not like you spent anything, right? Click on create pool, wait for your phantom wallet to pop up. Come on, bro, it's so slow. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button. Obviously scroll down, and boom, bro, the cucumber coin is now created. It's live, you can see it on chain, and now your profits will be right here. And if you click on the refresh button, you guys can see that now we're up $140 because people are buying, are aping, they're investing early into our coin, and that is why deving is so fucking good. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, or you can go on Axum, fucking Nova, wherever the fuck you want. Let me go on full screen, just give it some time for it to load. And now as you guys can see, bro, it's live. We're getting a bunch of fucking like sales. Oh, never mind, it's going back up. Okay, the volume is really high right now. That is fucking good. Okay, oh my god, someone bought. Oh my god, bro, we're getting so many transactions. What the fuck, people are buying in. Oh my god, guys, this is exactly why you guys have to start launching. Okay, look at this, bro, copying coins is a cheat code. Like, it's because, bro, since we copied a coin that went viral before, well, our narrative is really good, and that's why people are buying in. Okay, we are attracting people organically on chain. Okay, look, these are all like random people buying in. Okay, like, bro, yo, people work like hours and hours and hours for this money, but yeah, deving, bro, the potential is fucking limitless, and that's exactly why I dev. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for the pump, and when I come back, bro, we will cash out. Alright guys, I am back. Now it's time to cash out, bro. We are at the 10k market cap. Come back to create meme.io real quick. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And oh my god, bro, 1.8k USD in profits with a 8.8k market cap. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity. Let's fucking go, bro. Just wait. And now as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 22.5 Solana. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you do it from start to fucking finish, bro. Now, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, I received the money because it was made through a transaction on fucking Phantom, so it goes directly inside your Phantom wallet. Now guys, bro, it's up to you to do whatever the fuck you want with this information, bro, but just stay consistent. Do not give up on the first launch. Launch 10, 20 coins, bro. I had to launch around 400 coins to build up my portfolio, so it's all about consistency. And let's fucking go, bro. Like, comment, subscribe, join my Telegram and Discord. Peace out.